Okay, we're back. We had to watch out for cars. How old are you, KK?
I'm at 9.
You're 9?
I'm turning 10 this year.
Ha ha ha, nice try. You're turning 9 this year.
No, I'm turning 10.
No, you're turning 9.
You're
Car,
wrong.
Bella, move into the grass. Anna, car!
Right there.
Move back. Isabella, look at me. Can you count?
9? No.
Huh? You don't run into the street. How old are you? Count. Say 1,
1,
2.
2,
Count.
1.
Come on, count.
Mom, any cars behind me? I keep wanting to make sure. I don't want to get ran over.
Yeah, I don't want you to get run over either, dear.
Every time I turn around, I get ran over. This bike is so big. Beep, beep. Anyways, you're not going to. Awesome, Bella, do you want to get ran over? Okay.
But honey, it's all muddy. If you go back there with Daddy, you're going to have to walk through the mud. And you're going to get mud on your shoes and you might slip and fall. Yeah, there's lots of mud. Yeah, mud is right there. Don't walk in it. Let's see what she does. Yeah, don't walk in the water. Where are you going? Okay, bye. Love you. Turn around and wave. Say bye-bye. No, turn around. Wave. Bye. Blow me a kiss. So independent. You're doing fine.
Look at me.
Good job.
It's really hard to stop.
What happened? Did you walk in the water? Oh. What's the matter? Mud?
There's another car coming.
Honey, it's just a butterfly.
Aw. I feel bad, but it's kind of funny.
It's just a butterfly, Bella.
Oh, it's like running.
Oh, please don't run into me. Did the butterfly try to say hi to you?
No,
No, you don't want it to say hi to you.
no.
Did it scare you?
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, poor Bella.
Mommy!
Honey, you're okay. Did you get mud on your shoes?
No.
No? Well, that's good.
Mud!
It's okay. It's okay. There goes KK riding the bike. Where is she going? In the neighbor's yard. Okay, love you. I'm turning the camera off now, okay? Can you move over into the grass, please? Get out of the road. Now. Get in the grass.
Mike!
Get in the grass.
Mike!
Yeah, Meadows Daddy, Mike.
Mike!
Yeah, Meadows Mike.
Mike!
Okay, look at the camera and blow kisses.
Mwah.
Look at, come here, look at the camera. Say goodbye.
Bye!